Hi, this is Heather with lovinfamily.com. Today we're going to be making a shrimp and sausage meal in the air fryer, complete with shrimp, sausage, and vegetables. This meal is great for a busy weeknight. It can be made in under 30 minutes. It's also great for a meal prep, dinner, or lunch. So grab your ingredients and let's get started. Okay, to make our shrimp in the air fryer, we have some shrimp here that has been deveined and peeled. This is frozen shrimp that I just bought at the grocery store already in the freezer section. You could also buy it from the seafood section, just whatever you like. But I find that the frozen shrimp actually is nice and fresh, and just let it thaw out in your refrigerator overnight. Now what we're gonna do is add 1 tablespoon of Old Bay seasoning. If you don't like Old Bay, you could switch it up with some Cajun seasoning or whatever seasoning you like. And then we're gonna give it a good toss. Next, we're gonna add in our sausage. This is some kielbasa sausage. It's already been pre-cooked, and you can use the turkey, chicken kind, whatever you like. Then I'm gonna add in some green and red bell pepper. And this is some corn. This is 2 ears of corn that I just cut a little smaller. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. This will help in the cooking process. Okay, and we're gonna give this another good stir. Make sure everything's coated with that oil. All right, we are ready to put this in our air fryer basket. Okay, we're gonna add our mixture into our air fryer basket. And I would recommend cooking this in 2 batches. That way everything gets cooked nice and even and you're not overcrowding your basket. So this is about half of our mixture.